we are now in Belarus. We had a very eventful night when we entered Belarus on the border. We were 15 minutes late on our entry visa, and because of that, they asked us off the train. We had to go into their office. It was actually very easy to manage because in one way they wanted $200.
Central Market.
Yeah, the Central Market. Let's see what we can find. So I found something interesting about what Kuala Lumpur actually means.
What does it mean? Because I can't figure it out.
It means muddy junction, because when they settled it, it was on the estuary of two rivers, so it was really muddy.
Really?
That's what it means.
You gotta be kidding.
No,
I didn't.
Dead
Because I
serious.
always wondered about what it really means. You have to play louder, honey.
Not very good.
Only as loud as it goes.
Yeah, you.
So I should get this hat on.
I like your hair.
How about this? We're in a Hindu temple now in Malaysia,
Yeah.
at the Batu caves.
Isn't that beautiful, though?
Oh, it's very interesting.
Yes. We're gonna have to climb some stairs in a minute.
Yeah, but there's so many different religions practiced here and different temples.
Malaysia. Yeah, and each one of the religion is very well respected, and that's what I like about Malaysia.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yes.
Barb's being brave.
This one?
How does it feel, hon?
Weird.
Does
Very
it?
weird. He's looking at you. Hey, I'm posing.
Nice one, huh?
Beautiful. Feels kind of cool. Oh, he posed for you, Jimmy. Did you get it this time?
So we're now at the top of the Batu caves, 272 stairs up. This is a big Hindu temple where they do lots of worshiping. Let's go check it out.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah. We are, and in the background is the Blue Mosque. Now we've been told, and that could be kind of, but we've been told that it's one of the largest mosques in the world.
You know, this is already the last day for us here in Kuala
Yeah, I
Lumpur.
know.
Tomorrow we're heading to Singapore.
You know what gets me is every time we have a great time, it just seems to get over so quickly, isn't it?
I think you did all the organizing. You should have left us an extra day in Kuala Lumpur.
Oh yeah, and when would you want to come home? In a half a year from now?
Maybe.
That's right. For every city we like, think about that.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, but anyhow, so
I'm kind of sad to go.
it's a goodbye, right? Yeah, and it's a goodbye from Kuala Lumpur.
And we're going to have great memories.
Yes. Yeah. Beautiful, huh? Look at this.
One of the bratwurst.
Bratwurst, yes. With bread, no bread?
Ja, mit Brot.
Im Brot drinnen.
Yes, bitte.
Jawohl. So, Leberkäse. So ein Nürnberger. Alles mit Senf, wa? Bratwurst mit Brot. Jawohl.